This information is not exhaustive. Please refer to the instructions for use of each device and to the technical manuals. Attention! Adequate technical training is essential. Axess QR is an ergonomic harness designed for rope access. It complies with standards EN 361, EN 813, EN 358 and is tested for working loads of up to 140 kilograms. Axess QR features two EN 361 attachment points for the connection of fall arrest devices. Particularly, the dorsal attachment point is free to turn on itself in order to avoid accidental snagging, especially when working in confined spaces. Axess QR is equipped with three EN 358 attachment points, two lateral points for work positioning, and a rear one for work restraint only. The harness also features a EN 813 ventral attachment point for connecting a descender or a positioning lanyard. Wearing and adjusting the harness. Wearing Axess QR is easy. The self-locking side buckles allow for optimal waist belt adjustment, fitting it to the hips, while the buckles on the shoulder straps enable the easy adjustment of the top of the harness. The leg loops, also adjustable, are equipped with quick-release buckles. Modes of use. Thanks to these features, Axess QR is suitable for use in a variety of working environments. In combination with EN 355 fall arrest lanyards to ascend lattice structures and towers. With EN 353 devices to work in fall arrest systems, or with EN 12841 devices to carry on rope access work. Axess QR can also be used in combination with a positioning lanyard connected to the lateral attachment points, or to the ventral attachment point. When not in use, the lateral attachment points can be retained in a standby position in order not to hinder the worker's movements. Installation of the chest ascender. Axess QR is equipped with an integrated system for the fastening of the chest ascender. After inserting a triangular quick link in the dedicated position, you will only need to secure the ventral rope clamp to it using the special webbing straps on the harness.